All right, 4 months later, this car's gonna look awesome. Middos, baby. What's up, bud? What's up? You ready to get some tires out of this thing? Huh? Grab a hold. Donna's garage, looking clean as always. There's Sid. What's up, dude? Looking a little rough. Little rough with those wheels, huh? Don't worry, we'll fix that. Yep. Ridden hard and put away muddy, but still super solid car. But definitely time for some new tires. Isn't that right, Labster, huh? Woo. Yep. Rolling in the meats, huh? It's already looking cool. I mean, we cheated. We did the cool part first, but pretty sweet. We went from this and these. Look at how walled out those. Oh my God. It's so bad. It's so bad. Here it is. It looks really cool. Wow. What a huge difference. They're still they're still frozen actually. The temperature outside is about 7 degrees. It's pretty warm today in Alaska, but the wheels are still iced over. I think they'll be even more shiny once they thaw out. So I can't wait to get back to lower 48 in a couple months here and start building this car. It's gonna be awesome. The engine's coming along, the LS build. If you watch the other episodes before this, we got a 6-liter LS getting built. It's going to be pretty rowdy, probably 600 horse or more. It's going to start out NA, but it's got forged pistons and some other work, some nice heads that are going to be ready for some boost applications. So this is pretty exciting to make just a little headway on getting what we can while we're here. Not as meaty as I like, but it's going to be super drivable. No scrubbing, especially while the suspension isn't exactly dialed in yet. It just makes it all the more evident that this car needs an alignment. I wish it wasn't super cold, or I would pull this thing out into the 3 feet of snow we've got outside and do a really good walk around that's a little less congested. But I think I'm gonna hop up into Donna's truck and show you guys what it looks like from the side. Wow. Holy crap. That made a pretty big difference. Oh man.